Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 5 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. I'm Debbie Sadify, and today we are in the kitchen making a vibrant and nutritious Big Fiesta Salad with a creamy salsa dressing. This salad is packed with cancer preventative nutrients and is super easy to make. So let's dive in. We have a mix of leafy greens, red onions, bell peppers, carrots, cabbage, broccoli, black peppers, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and pumpkin seeds. And we have a creamy salsa dressing that's made with red peppers, cilantro, garlic, lime juice, flaxseed oil, a baked potato, turmeric, and black pepper. And we blend that all up. Our goal is to include at least 30 plant-based foods in our diet each week. And this Big Fiesta salad bowl alone has 38 different plant-based ingredients. This salad is not only delicious, but it's incredibly healthy, perfect for any meal. Your challenge for next week is to make one day a plant-based day, maybe a Meatless Monday. So check out the full video on YouTube for how to make this Big Fiesta salad yourself and follow for more plant-based recipes and tips. Stay resilient.